We have destination dispatch 17. Elevator A. It's right here, folks. Give me your visa.
Nice, I like this a lot.
Floor. I think it's gonna be Otis actually.
Going down.
Let's try the handicap mode now. Okay, press the button.
Press the button repeatedly to increment floor numbers. Hold the button to enter destination.
Same elevator.
Down. Elevator A has arrived. Elevator A
Just for wheelchair.
has arrived. Elevator A has arrived. Elevator A has arrived. Elevator A has arrived.
Here it goes. Let's get our cap view. What do you think of these?
Very nice.
I like the caps.
Mm-hmm.
No big rubber in these elevators.
Going down.
That should be 1540 kilograms. There's a TV screen. Or 12.
Going down.
Yeah, I think sort of 32 billionaires can get together and decide who you're going to work for.
Yeah. I find it
And you're
interesting.
the one with the talent.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. No one ever paid a penny to watch any of these
6.
people play.
Except for Mario Olivia.
Going
Oh.
down.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I meant because you actually achieved the status. I guess Shanahan became a senior manager. I don't think he had. Does he have a stake?
Going down.
Okay.
I mean, there's plenty of other
Yeah.
about 400 strong.
Right.
But when you managed to leverage the Penguins' inability to pay him what they had contractually
Ground
committed to
floor.
in bankruptcy, to
Okay.
Going up.
That's it.